Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sophanie. I am back with another video. So today I am getting ready to go to Disney with my sister and I'm super excited. It was about time for them to open this park back. Like, girl, I'm really tired sitting in the house, like not doing anything. I'm working, but yeah, I need to have some fun. Okay, I need to walk around, not getting too rides, but I really need to walk around and see other people because I'm really tired of sitting in my house or looking at my walls or watching TV. I'm tired of all that. So today I am getting ready to go to Disney. So what I'm doing, I'm just doing my hair, and I don't think I'll explain anything in this video. I'll just put any products that I'm using, like the makeup and hair products. I'll just put them in the description box so you guys can just watch and enjoy this video. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment what you like about this video, or if you have a video that you wanted me to create, just let me know in the comment. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Not for thanks for watching. Keep watching. I know my hair is not looking too great right now. My hair look dry or whatever. I washed my hair 2 days ago and I set these little flexi wires on my hair so I can create a really nice, I don't know if it's gonna be nice, I don't know yet, but I think it's cute at the end. So I can create a really nice curly bang on the front, like a mohawk, whatever you call it. So I think I like this style so much. I used to do it a lot, so I think it's gonna be easier. So since my hair is washed and hard to deal with after washing, so I think this is like a really nice and easy hairstyle I can come up with at this time. So because I am natural and my hair is just disrespectful sometimes. So yeah. So what I'm doing is taking off my flexi rods and separate each of my sections in 6 pieces and fluff it out with my finger. I think this look is completed, you guys. I really like it. If you guys want to see how I set this flexi rods on my hair, let me know in the comment section below. I love you guys so much. This look is already completed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, share with the family, and comment. I love you guys. Bye.